Hello everyone, I'm Tim from Tim's PC, and I build custom PCs to suit anyone's needs or budget. Also live stream my builds and repairs for transparency and educational purposes. So if you'd like to get an awesome new PC and you'd like to see it get put together live, send me a message today. Okay, so tonight we're going to be building our first 4070 Ti. So this PC here this is for Travis. We'll go through the specs. It's pretty straightforward build. So we got an i5 13600KF. We've got an MSI B660M-A Wi-Fi motherboard. We've got the aforementioned RTX 4070 Ti, which is the 3D version. We've got a 32GB kit with Corsair memory. We've got a 1TB NVMe SSD. Got a 240mm all-in-one liquid cooler from Corsair, a 750 watt power supply, and we're going to be putting it in a Thermaltake S200 case. So yeah, let's get started. And power on. So thanks everyone for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video.